What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. I just had to grab my dinner, and we are going to have a great time tonight. Let me start off by posting that we are live. And why don't you guys go ahead and let me know where you're tuning in from tonight? So we're just going to hit this right here. We're going to say live now. Come for cheeseburgers. See if we can get anybody and entice them with some cheeseburgers. And then we are going to go through everything today, guys. So I see we have 46 people in here. Thank you very much. And let me just get the YouTube up here, and then we will get right into this. I don't even have time to eat these days. So I'm going to try to wrap this one up a little bit so that I can eat. I actually did not eat all day. So I need that protein right now. I need that protein. So here we go. So Christopher from Miami, Rakeem from Atlanta, Malcolm from Claymont Falls, Theron from New Jersey, Kwasni from California, Trading Algo, you the best, bro. Thank you very much. Mike from Hialeah in the building, boom. Handsome Dan he just came back from the moon, and Andrea from Houston, boom, 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 boom. What else do we have? Johnny from Utah, and let's do one more. Oh, my brother here, Raider, yo from the USA. All right, beautiful. All right, guys. So, let's get this party started, and let's discuss today. I want to focus on the opening range breakouts and discuss a little bit more about that and why, why I like trading them. And we're gonna actually start off with NEO today. So the picks that we had, guys. We had NEO, we had Boeing, we had Tesla, and we had Snap. There were some bonus picks that I posted in my room, but these were the ones that we focused on. So we're going to go ahead right now. We're going to hit the market replay, and we're going to look at this pattern here. So I always start off with the daily chart, as you guys know. And the daily chart, what I'm trying to look for is I'm trying to look for consolidation. I'm trying to look for tightening ranges. I'm trying to look for chop, because usually after chop, we can have a move. And that's why I like using the inside bars, the outside bars. So right here, guys, this is my holy grail pattern, right? It's an outside bar followed by an inside bar. And you can really see the range on NEO got very, very tight on Friday. So right there, guys, with that tightness, what do you guys think is happening to option premiums? So are option premiums increasing, or are they decaying when we have that chop and that tightness? What do you guys think? So going through the chat here, guys. It is decaying. Exactly. So the option premium, guys, are decaying. I think I have some setting wrong on the YouTube. Actually, that's why it's coming, like the responses I see are coming a lot slower than normal. But anyways, guys, so we have that decay right there, guys. And we're going to go on to the 5-minute chart. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the opportunities within the 5-minute chart. So let me fix this YouTube video right here. But while I'm fixing this YouTube video, guys, let me know, okay, what is the opening range breakout? Okay, what is it? So let's brainstorm some ideas, and then I'm gonna walk you guys through it. But I want to see for those guys that follow me and trade with me, let's all brainstorm together. What is opening range breakout? Why is the opening range breakout important? What do you guys think? So while I just correct this video, I didn't put some settings on or something, so I can I see the chat coming in super slow, which I hate. I want to see you guys right live in my face. So here we go. So first, it's the first bar of the day. The high and low of the first 5-minute candle. It gives us a direction to play. Second 5-minute candle extends above or below the first 5-minute candle. Wait for the first 5-minute candle. Then on the second 5-minute candle, take the breakout of the previous candle's high or low. So let me ask you guys a question. Can we take the opening range breakout on different time frames? Can we do on the 3-minute chart? Can we do it on the 2-minute, the 1-minute, the 15, the 10, the 6, the 9, the 7-minute? Can we trade opening range breakouts on any time frame, or do we have to just specifically focus on the 5-minute candle? What do you guys think? So hit me with a 1 if we can play the opening range breakout on any time frame, and hit me with a 2 if you think it's strictly for the 5-minute chart. All right, guys, what do you guys think? All right, I see the comments coming in better now, so this is good. So 1. Yes, guys. So think about it like this: the opening range breakout is an entry it gives us an entry. So the prerequisite, the precondition to the day is that we had the Holy Grail pattern on closing on Friday. So we already know that NEO has been consolidating for a while. The option premiums are getting decayed. So we need to be able to come down on a lower time frame and try to get a good entry, right? And one of the ones that I focus on the most is the 5-minute opening range breakout. So let's play, boom. Here's the first 5-minute bar. Very important bar, because if you look at this bar, you could see there's wicks on both sides. With wicks on both sides, that means that there are buyers and sellers in that candle. And what I like doing from there, guys, is just taking the breakout. If we break below, I'm going to go short. I'm going to buy puts. If we break above, I'm going to go long and I'm going to buy calls. Okay, there we go. So let's go next candle. Boom. There it is, guys. So we're in right here, right there. When that low breaks, guys, we're in there short, and wham. So right within that first 5-minute candle right there, guys, you can already make your goal for the day, you know, between maybe 20 to 50% return right there. And I also had the purple line is my trigger line. So even if we didn't take the orb, guys, we could have just taken the trigger, okay? And then let's just continue. So then we had a few good legs down here. And what do I always say, guys? How many legs? How many legs do I say before reversal? So please comment right now. How many legs do I normally say before we can see a reversal? How many legs? What do you guys think? So I'm looking in the chat. Two. Okay. Pen and pad alert. Get the pen and the pad out. There's a pen and pad alert right now. Okay. Pen and pad alert right now. Normally we can see 2 legs of a push. So we had the first leg, and then you see here we go sideways. So that sideways right there is basically the next consolidating pattern. And then boom, we have one more leg right there. So you could see it right there, guys. And what I like doing actually with that is, let me just get this off the screen. What I like doing is actually using the fibs. So once I see that we start basing and we start consolidating, I want to take a Fibonacci, right? Like you guys know that I have my book. This is what we call the morning leg. So I want to take the Fibonacci of that little push there. And you can see right here, guys, we tag the 236. Algo comes in, boom, pushes it down. A nice inside bar over here as well. And look, and we're coming right down to the extension. You see the 10%? This is the one that I wrote about in my book. The 10%, this is the one that I created, guys. And a lot of people were talking about how they've been using it and we're getting a lot of success. So here we go. You can see here, boom, 1 leg, 2 leg, 10%. This is where you want to be getting out, right around here. And then so that'll take you for about 100%, guys. And then look what happens right there. Boom. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. One guy, one man, creating indicators for you to trade and to earn a living and to get out there and have an opportunity. One single man and a great team behind me, obviously. But what I'm trying to say, guys, is the change and the difference that we're pushing here, guys. You will not see this anywhere else. And you got to drop a like right now, because this Holy Grail is the bottom of the day, boys. Right there with the 10%. The 10%. Nobody talks about the 10% but me. Because why? Because I sat there and I back tested thousands and thousands and thousands of hours. Oh, where does it reverse? Where does it reverse? People thought I was crazy. People thought I was crazy, like I'm going insane. I'm having an Excel spreadsheet. Where does it reverse? Where does it reverse? 10%. Interesting. And I bring that to you guys. So I appreciate the like, guys. So here we go. Now let's go into the Discord right here. Let's go to the alerts, right? So members area, for everyone asking me, members area right here, daily option pick alerts. Boom. So right here, we see NEO inside bar, 1015. There we go. That's the inside bar there. This is the first one here, and this one worked for a nice short. This is a scalp. But when you're scalping down here, guys, you got to be quick. The 10% is right there. Boom, boom, done. Right? And then the next one comes in right here. NEO inside bar, 1055. And that is the completion of the Holy Grail. So right here, guys, the Holy Grail, like, do you guys understand what I'm saying here? There's a Holy Grail on the daily chart. There's a Holy Grail on the daily chart, and there's a Holy Grail on the 5-minute chart. And that, my friends, is what I call fractal trading. Because what's happening on the lower time frame is happening on the higher time frame, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Watch this. Done. See that? It's revolutionary. It's absolutely revolutionary. Look at this. Catch the short, catch the bull play on the way up, the puts and the calls, guys. It does not get any better than that. So hit me with the 3 right now. I have to see 3s in here. Hit me with the 3 if you guys are mind blown. Hit me with the 3, guys. Literally 10% extension. Nobody. I see a lot of people talking about it now, but most of the people that talk about it, they give me the credit. So that's totally fine. As long as I'm getting the credit for what I put my ass on the line for, I'm totally fine with that. Okay. So there we go. So Neo, easy money. There's ways guys, there's opportunities. You play it to the downside. You play it to the upside. There's opportunity. Opportunity is knocking on your door. All right. Boom. Boeing. Man, this one was another orb, guys. Let's go to the daily. I got to speed it up because I haven't eaten food all day. So we have Boeing right here, Holy Grail. And now we actually close with an inside bar, which is very rare, guys. This is a very rare pattern. This is a Holy Grail with a double inside bar pattern. I don't think we have another one of this on the chart, right? So this is a very, very powerful pattern on Boeing. And this was actually a bull trap today on Boeing, because you could see right here, guys, we broke through the previous, close to the previous day's high, and we immediately turned around. So if you're taking the trigger, you lose. Done. But what do we have? We have the first 5-minute bar closes. Here's the high. Here's the low. Opening range breakout. Boom, to the downside. Good money. What do I say? What do I say? How many legs? How many legs? Tell me right now. How many legs? How many legs before we can see a reversal? Somebody tell me. What do you guys think? How many legs? How many legs does a human have? That's it. Write that down right now. Get the pen and the paddle. Write that down right now. How many legs does a human have? Human has 2 legs. I can expect to have 2 legs in the market. It's very, very simple, guys. Look, here are the 2 legs. Boom, watch this. This thing out here. Push down, pull back, second leg, later. That's it. Look, boom, boom. Again, is that the 10%? Okay, this one is 0.169. That's another one that I like. But right in the zone, guys, double bottom, outside bar, see you later, right? And even up here, guys, we have a Holy Grail right here. And you see this little push down. Some of you guys think this little push down, you can't make money. If you're trading, guys, if you're trading and you're even in a smaller time frame, that push from here to here, you can make a shit ton of money. Right? So there we go. So that's pretty much Boeing, man. Opening range breakout, clean. It doesn't get any better than that. That's why I'm talking about orbs today, because orbs are so simple for you guys to implement. It doesn't take rocket science to do this. It really doesn't. So here we go. 3-minute. Look, what I also wanted to talk about, guys, is other time frames. There's not just 5-minute. There's other time frames. 3 minutes. Look at this. 3-minute opening range breakout right here. Here's the first 3-minute candle right here. Can you make money on this one? Can you make money on this one? Yes or no? Hit me with the 1 if you can make money on that. Hit me with the 2 if you can't. What do you guys think? Can you make money on that opening range breakout? What about this inside bar over here? Can you make money on that one? What about this inside bar over here? Can you make money on that one? What about this inside bar over here? Can you make money on that one? What about this one? What about this one? What about this Holy Grail? Let's keep going, man. Let's keep going. You guys will understand. Can you make money on every single one of these plays? That some crazy guy decided to create a free indicator for you to help you. Can you make money on every single one of those plays? Hit me with a 1 right now. Beautiful. And you don't have to pay me $5,000 to get a 300-page book that's looking at charts that came from the 1960s. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that, guys. What you need to do is hit me with a like, hit me with a subscribe button, and let's get this knowledge to the rest of the world. Okay? Let's move on. Tesla. Man, what a beauty. Okay? So Tesla, same thing. Where's my trigger line for the top? I don't know where it went, but anyways, let me draw it back. Somewhere around here. Okay? Tesla, what are we talking about? Man, I don't even know. Sometimes I just look at the shit that I give out there and I just wonder, why do I not have 1 million followers, man? Literally, look at this, guys. Look at this shit here. Paying bills right there, man. Right there, guys. You don't need to pay $10,000 for some guru to tell you shit, man. Look at this. Inside bar breakout. Take a picture of this one. This is what a clean inside bar breakout looks like. It does not get better than that. That's what you want to see when you play an inside bar and you're going for the trigger and you want it to blow. That's what it's got to look like. Beautiful. So here we go. We'll go down to the 5-minute chart. Okay, let's hit the market replay. Let's talk about everything. Okay, get the pen and the pad out. Okay, get the pen and the pad out. So here we go. So we have the trigger right here. So this is just the trigger play. Boom, break the trigger within the first 5-minute bar. Huge push up. So right there, you take that trigger, you already made a shit ton of money. We don't even have to talk anymore. Okay, next. Okay, we keep going. We have another push up there, push up there, push. Okay, here we go. We're consolidating, we're chopping, right? After we have a big push like this, there's going to be profit takers stepping in. That's what you see here, some profit taking. Okay, here we go. Inside bar. Okay, beautiful inside bar. Boom. Nice breakdown. So even if you're not taking the breakout there, guys, you could take that inside bar. You short right there, guys. 1-to-1. That's 1-to-1. That's easy money. That's 1-to-1. That's going to pay the bills. Right here, Tesla inside bar 1005. Clean. Okay, and then what's next? Well, when we have a vertical push like this, we call this the morning leg. This is the morning leg. This is the morning leg from my book. Morning leg. Morning leg. We take the Fibonacci from the low to the high. So right here, guys, when we start pulling back here, you need to already have the Fibonacci drawn. So once we have this low and this high, and you see we coming down like on this candle, Fibonacci needs to be drawn. Fibonacci needs to be drawn so you can see where you can start loading in if you want to play the leg. Right here, putting some on the 50, put some on the 618, whatever you want to do, guys. Have your stop loss at the low of the day for protection. And I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. If you're waiting for candlestick confirmation, what do you have? You even have an inside bar that closes on the 618. Right? You have an inside bar, so you even have the inside bar. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. And that's all she wrote, guys. That's all she wrote. Bam. See you later. You know what? Let's add one more. What about this Holy Grail? God, it's exceptional. It's impressive. Look at that. Beautiful. Right? And here we go. When we do the morning leg, we'll pull it over. And guess what? Look at this. Why do I have these extensions? Why do I want to have 100 lines on my chart? No, I don't want to have 100 lines on my chart, but I know the extensions. Look at this. This area, do you see all this rejection here? Yes, we come back at the end of the day and we close at the highs, but that doesn't matter. You have to go where you're likely for a reversal, right in the zone right here, guys. Scaling out, scaling out, scaling out. People say, oh, how do I take targets? How do I take targets? There you go. Use the Fibonacci, measure the move. There it is. Beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful. Okay. All right. So that's 3 out of 4. I would say pretty straightforward plays. Doesn't get any easier than that. Snap, I haven't looked at it. I did not trade this one. Let's see what happens. Okay. I mean, this is even an easy one too. I mean, someone's like, what do you think about Snap? I mean, what do I think about Snap is did you follow the plays? That's my question to you. Okay, here we go. $10 from Jenny D. Boom. Thank you very much. And that will be contributed to the Starbucks fund. Appreciate that. Here we go. So guys, let me tell you guys something right now. If you don't understand the Fibonacci, if you're confused, I have a whole playlist on my YouTube channel. I wrote a whole book. Watch the videos. Just watch them. Read the book. Okay, if it's still complicated for you, no problem. Why don't you just do the opening range breakouts for now until you build your confidence, until you build your skills, guys? Guys, get out there. Get your foot wet in the water. That's how you get better. You can't sit there and be like, what about this? What about that? What about that? You have to take free throws. If you want to get to the NBA, you have to be taking free throws in college. You can't wait till you get to the NBA to start taking free throws. Paper trade. Do whatever you have to do. Market replay, whatever it takes. Okay, here we go. So Snap, daily. Okay, we had a nice inside bar, right? We had a nice inside bar right here. And you could see by the end of the day, we close at near the highs. First 5-minute bar, boom, nice bar here. Opening range breakout. Yeah, that's good money right there. That's 1-to-1. Take the break below the low, boom. Okay, now we come down here. Unfortunately here, there's no real reverse signal until we get back up here with this inside bar. So that was the only valid play for the long from my perspective here, unless you're loading in using the previous day's range, which is also something that I teach. You could use low to high like that, extend it, boom, and there we go. So you could be loading in on the way down here, something I also do from time to time, okay? So, I mean, the reason that this video is about orbs is because I feel like orbs are probably the most straightforward thing. That's actually kind of one of the things that I started with. Here we go, 3-minute opening range breakout right here. Boom, boom, okay? Go to the 5, go to the 3-minute, go to the 15-minute. Do whatever you need to do and just get better. Just get better. Eddie Lupita, you're a beast, man. I made 1.6K using your techniques. Thanks for your lesson, brother. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you for being here. All right. So there we go. So that is the recap for the picks of the day. We also had Airbnb in the private room, which was also a nice, let's go to the 5-minute. Let's take a look here. It's the same thing as Snap, basically, right? You see that, guys? Sometimes these stocks follow the same patterns. We had the opening range breakout that went for some money. And then we had, if we draw the fib from the previous day's low to the previous day's high, boom, this one was a beauty right on the 886. Very, very nice. And that's it, guys. So the other thing that I want to talk about is Apple. So Apple, man, I shared this with you guys. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Let me pull up the newsletter right now. Okay, we'll pull up the newsletter. Here's a Telegram. 1 second. Trading Wars. Okay, here's it. Here's the Telegram. Here's the newsletter. Okay, it's right here. I'm gonna press open. Okay, I'm gonna pull it over for you. Okay, this is a free newsletter, guys. Free. I can easily charge $10 a month for this shit if I wanted to, but I don't, because I want to help those that can't afford stuff. Here we go. Trading War scanner results. Interesting. Time frame, 1 week chart. Set up inside bar power. What was the first one there? Apple. Apple. It doesn't get better than that. And then, okay, let's go. Okay, that's okay. You don't have the newsletter. All right, that's fine. No problem. Here we got the Nature Boy. Just pay some respect right there with the Nature Boy right there. Okay, and then let me continue to where I was going. Yeah, all right. So no problem. No problem. No problem. You don't have the newsletter. You don't want to use Telegram. Fine. No problem. But I know you're doing your homework, right? I know you're doing your homework, and I know you're following along with the post. August 27th, 6:54 p.m. Apple. Here we go. Apple, we had it right here. We had the 2-week setup right here, guys. We had, what did I say right here? We had knocking on heaven's door, 2-week reverse holy grail. It doesn't get any better than that. Apple was knocking on heaven's door. Let's go back to the weekly. There we go. Nice, beautiful follow through. So we had the 2-week reverse holy grail and we had the weekly holy grail, guys. And we just nailed the shit out of this one, man. It was absolutely stunning. I have calls all over the place. I already locked in good money. So I'm fine with whatever happens tomorrow. I don't care. I already made my money. And then just to show you guys for the swing traders here, this is how it works. Okay, this is this morning. Disney long filled, Apple filled. We hit the partial target. Then we had the calls go from 232 to 315. Then we went to 340. Then we went to 460. And then the shares hit 1 times, right? And then we got stopped out on this one here, SYF, right? So that's how it is. That's how we do it over here, man. We got my mods here helping me out. We have Leah, the trader. You guys know who she is. We have Jason helping me out. That's what we do. Spreading love, light, education, getting it done every single day. All right. So there we go. So that's it, man. I mean, I'm putting a lot out there, a lot. I'm telling you guys, there's some people that are just tweeting, blah, blah, blah. That doesn't matter, man. Get the picks out, make a newsletter, do something to help the community for all areas of the community. Okay. Shout out to the Nature Boy. Anyways, that's it for me. I'm gonna go eat some food, and I'm gonna call it here. And what else do I want to say? I told you guys about grit. We talked about grit last night. Have grit, have grit, have grit. You know, I got faked out on Apple a few times, and I definitely got chopped up and lost some money. But when I get paid, I have the grit to come back. I have the grit to follow my system. I have the grit to come back and take my trades without any emotional attachment. And that's why I get paid. See what I'm saying? So there we go. So that's it, guys. I know it's a little bit fast, but you know, we gotta keep the ball rolling here. And I'll try my best to come and give you guys content as much as I can. Boom, we got a super sticker right here from our brother Michael Wang. Let me just check out the super sticker right here with the thank you. Thank you very much for being here. Honestly, guys, I hope you guys are learning something. You know, look, Andrea right here, the gift made 1325 today. Awesome. Beautiful. That's what I want to see. But what I want to say is the whole point of this video was about opening range breakouts. If you don't understand fibs, if this, if that, if it doesn't matter. Pick one of them, get 100 trades under your belt, get 200 trades, 300 trades under your belt, get them all under your belt. Build the discipline, build the repetition, build the skills. This is not an easy road. It's not. No one said it was. You're competing with the best of the best on Wall Street, wherever they are. Could be trading from their mother's basement, but you're dealing with the best of the best. So if you're not going to put in the work, then just take your money and put it in a long-term investing account and just let it sit. That's my honest advice to you guys. But for those guys that are hungry, I'm here for you. All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys. We'll chat tomorrow.